The following is a 15-year-old football player who sustained a traumatic avulsion of his subscapularis tendon. He is in a beach chair position with the arm placed in a spider holder. We establish standard posterior and anterior portals. An arthroscopic shaver is utilized to the anterior portal to debride synovialized tissue. The rotator interval is released to facilitate subscapularis tendon mobilization. An arthroscopic grabber is used to confirm adequate mobilization of the subscapularis tendon. The elongated biceps tendon is released from the superior labrum with arthroscopic scissors to facilitate subsequent subpectoral tenodesis. The lesser tuberosity footprint is freshened with an arthroscopic shaver. A 4-centimeter passport is positioned within the anterior portal to facilitate passage of instruments and suture. An accessory anterosupralateral portal is established 2 centimeters anterolateral to the angle of the acromion. An 8-millimeter cannula is positioned within this anterosupralateral portal. A self-retrieving suture passer is utilized to place 0 PDS suture to the inferior lateral aspect of the subscapularis tendon. It is positioned at the junction of the superior 2/3 and inferior 1/3. The 0 PDS suture is then utilized to shuttle labral tape. This series of steps is repeated, and a 0 PDS suture is placed at the junction of the upper 1/3, inferior 2/3, and labral tape is once again shuttled. With the 2 labral tape sutures, adequate control of the subscapularis tendon is achieved. The inferior labral tape is then passed through a 4.75 Arthroscopic peak swivel lock. The swivel lock is then implanted at the junction of the inferior 1/3, upper 2/3 of the lesser tuberosity footprint. This series of steps is then repeated with the superior labral suture after punching an anchor point at the junction of the superior 1/3 and inferior 2/3 of the lesser tuberosity footprint. Suture ends are cut with labral tape scissors. The remainder of the rotator interval is released to facilitate postoperative range of motion. The repair is then visualized to the anterior portal as the arm is brought through gentle internal external rotation. Construct stability and footprint coverage is confirmed.